Hello and welcome to my Russian language learning series. This is the fifth lesson of the series. Today we'll practice reading real Russian words using everything we have learned. You might not be able to remember all the words, and that's fine. That's not the motive of the video, anyways. The main motive is to practice our reading. If you did not watch the previous videos of this playlist, please do watch them and only then get here. The previous videos are needed so that you can identify the letters and know their pronunciation. If you face difficulty reading the words, don't worry. Pause the video and check the pronunciation of the respective letter. Let's start and repeat the words after me. Let's start with very simple words first. The first word is mama, mama, and the spelling is M-A-M-A, mama. Next we have papa, papa, P-A-P-A. Next we have kot, kot, Ka-O-T, kot. Kot means cat. Next word that we have is dom, dom, D-O-M, dom. Dom means house. We next have soak, soak, S-O-K, soak. Soak means juice. Next we have is soup, soup, S-U-P, soup. Soup means soup. So let's move on to some simple words now. And the first word that we have is kniga, kniga, K-N-E-G-A, kniga. Kniga means book. Next we have shkola, shkola, Sha-Ka-O-L-A, shkola. Shkola means school. Next we have riba, riba, R-E-B-A, riba. Riba means fish. Next we have chai, chai, Che-A-I-Krat-Kaya, Che-A-I-Krat-Kaya, chai. Chai means tea. Next we have yablaka, yablaka. If you watched the previous video of vowels and stress, you would know that in each word we only have one vowel which is stressed. The other vowels are unstressed. So in this word we have ya as stressed and the two other vowels, the two O's, are unstressed. That's why they are read as a and not o. So we do not read this word as yabloko, it's yablaka because the two O's are unstressed. Yablaka, yablaka. Yablaka means apple. So when you learn a new word, you must also learn that which vowels are stressed in that. This comes by practice or this comes when you learn new words. So this word is read as yablaka. Next we have yug. Yug. Yug means south direction. And the spelling is simple. It's just U and G. Yug. Let's move on to some useful everyday words now. The first word that we have is kleb, kleb. Spelling is K-L-E-B, kleb. Kleb means bread. Next we have dve, dve. Dve means door. Spelling is D-V-E-R and mekhi snack. If you would remember, mekhi snack is used to soften the last consonant. So in this word we have the last consonant is R. So it is softened, or you can say it's silent here. We do not read this word as diver. We read it as diver, diver. There is no R sound or there is no R. It's read as diver, diver. And that's because of mekhi snack. If mekhi snack wouldn't have been there, we would have read it as diver. But we don't read it as diver. We read it as diver, diver. Diver means door. Next we have akno, akno. Akno means window, and in this word also we have two O's and only the last O is stressed. So only the last O is read as O and the first O is read as A. So this word is read as akno, akno. Akno means window. We next have metro, metro. In this word also we have two vowels, ye and o, and only the last o is stressed. The ye is not stressed, so we do not read it as mietro. We read it as metro, metro, metro. The ye is just not stressed enough. It's metro. It's not mietro. It's metro, metro. We next have rabota, rabota, R-A-B-O-T-A. Rabota. Rabota means work, and in this word only the last O is stressed, or the only O is stressed. So it's read as rabota, rabota, rabota. Next we have Gorath, Gorath. Gorath means city. In this word also we have two O's and only the first O is stressed. Hence it is read as Gorath. It's not read as Gorodh or Garodh, but this word is read as Gorath, and the spelling is G-O-R-O-D, Gorath. So let's practice two challenging words, and the first word is Moskva, Moskva, Moskva. In this word, the last A is stressed and the O is not stressed. Because the O is not stressed, it is not read as O, it is read as A. Hence, this entire word is read as Moskva. Moskva. Moskva is the Russian way of saying Moscow. It's Moskva. And the spelling is M-O-S-K-V-A. Moskva. Moskva. Next we have Dabro Pashalavit. Dabro Pashalavit. Repeat after me. Dabro Pashalavit. Spelling is D-O-B-R-O. Dabro. In this word the last O is stressed. By now you would have understood the concept of stressing. It's read as Dabro Pashalavit. Pashalavit. The A is stressed. Pashalavit. It's not Poshalavit or Po-sha-lo-vat, but Pashalavit. Pashalavit. And the last Te is not stressed enough. It's softened because of the Mehki snak. So it's Pashalavit. That Te sound is not stressed. It's not Pashalavit, but Pashalavit. Dabro Pashalavit. Dabro Pashalavit. Now repeat after me. Dabro Pashalavit. When you welcome somebody, you say Dabro Pashalavit. Dabro Pashalavit. So I hope it's clear now and you are able to read these words. If not, practice again, and it's okay if you're not able to read it now, but you would have got some idea that how we read words and all these things. So repeat after me last time. Dabro Pashalavit. So thank you for watching this video, and try to practice yourself. Try to find some 3 to 5 Russian words on internet, or maybe more, and maybe in YouTube comments. Just put them in YouTube comments. You will find some words randomly and see if you can read them. Practice reading them, learn their pronunciation, and all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.